All right, I have a really cool product here from YOUSUNLONG, and this is a little pocket knife. And I gotta say, this right here would make an excellent gift just for the packaging alone, because you get the box and it's like magnetic, so it won't come out when it's like tipped over. And you have the pocket knife right here, which is made from bull horn, really sleek. The blade is made of handmade Damascus steel and has this unique Damascus steel pattern. Really cool design too. I love this pattern. So very, very sharp, great for if you need to fillet something really quick, if you're fishing, or if you need to cut something really quick. It's very, very sharp. There's a little button right here to release it, so you can push that in, and then you can collapse the knife just like that. It even includes this little leather pouch, so you can put your pocket knife in there, and then you can wear this thing on your belt or your pants, so it's easy to access when you're walking around. And this thing is high quality. They even provide a certificate of authenticity, so really high quality, excellent packaging, and you could just tell this is like perfected craftsmanship. So I highly recommend it, especially as a gift, and thanks for watching.